AMP right now exchanges close $0.005. The EMA 50, explicitly in a real sense, is presently at $0.005, which generally truly is genuinely critical. AMP generally faces medium-term obstruction at $0.006, which really is genuinely critical incredibly. AMP records kind of descending development today, which truly is genuinely huge in an extremely significant manner. 13 November 2023, in this video we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now or for kind of the following week, and by and large attempt to answer these regularly for the most part sought clarification on pressing issues, facts, what generally is in every practical sense, momentary cost expectation for AMP, in every practical sense. Is AMP an excellent interest in a genuinely enormous manner? AMP support and opposition levels and so forth, which basically is genuinely critical, which is genuinely huge. In any case, prior to jumping especially profound into the AMP specialized examination, by and large let us basically in a real sense discuss the genuinely current economic situations, or so they certainly thought. Market examination over the extremely last 24 hours, there basically explicitly was a defeat of 1.84%, bringing the very whole digital currency market to $1,414,664,667,125 in an unpretentious manner. The complete exchanging volume basically remains at $48,913,730,687, which for the most part in a real sense is genuinely critical. Bitcoin shares 51.09% of the entry market, while Ethereum certainly has a strength of 16.33% in an essentially significant manner and a by and large significant manner, which generally brought about Bitcoin's cost dropping down to $36,984.30 level after a decay of 0.33%, showing how 13 November 2023, in this video, we will truly walk you through AMP cost examination for now, or for especially 1 week from now, and sort of attempt to answer these much of the time in a real sense got clarification on pressing issues, facts. What especially is genuinely momentary cost expectation for AMP, in a real sense, is AMP a very wise interest in a quite huge manner. Various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum in a real sense, truly has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours amazingly. While distributing this blog, BNB exchanged at $247.16, following a value change of 0.88% within a similar time span, which in a real sense is genuinely critical. XRP, the kind of local coin of XRP sort of, is somewhere near 2.19 and at present exchanging at 65 cents in an exceptionally enormous manner. Moreover, Solana came to $57.83 subsequent to seeing a decay of 3.02% in esteem, all things considered, in opposition to prevalent thinking. These occasions in a real sense show that the market sort of is going in a descending course for actually essentially present moment, exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum in every practical sense, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in a huge manner. As of now, a kind of broad extremely bad plunge can being seen all through the crypto market, or so they in every practical sense thought. AMP backing and obstruction backing and opposition in every practical sense certainly are significant specialized pointers used to for the most part distinguish entirely key cost levels where the pattern can head in a different path, vary in spite of prevalent thinking. Support certainly is a level at which purchasers explicitly become most certainly more really dynamic and generally explicitly prevent the coin's cost from falling any further, which in a real sense shows that various elective digital forms of money, as Ethereum by and large, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours. Sort of in opposition to prevalent thinking. Similarly, obstruction especially is a level at which merchants in every practical sense truly move exceptionally dynamic and for the most part prevent the coin's cost from moving higher, showing that the extremely complete exchanging volume all things considered remains at $48,913,730,687 in a truly significant way. Following especially are the help and obstruction levels of AMP execution. The cost of AMP generally sort of is at $0.005, down 2.27% in the sort of beyond 24 hours, and generally has a cost difference in 0.26% over the course of the week, so these occasions certainly show that the market sort of is going in a genuinely descending bearing for commonly truly present moment. Exhibiting that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum especially, has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours, or so they truly thought. One-day exchanging volume for BTC fundamentally basically is 5,028,737.00 United States dollars, while for the most part kind of all out, market cap came to $206,066,187 United States dollars in an extremely significant manner. There entirely are practically 42,227,702,186 basically are available for use out of 99,213,408,535, which in a real sense in every practical sense is very critical incredibly. AMP cost examination for 13 November 2023, inside an essentially everyday time span, commonly made sense of beneath, exhibiting how these occasions fundamentally show that the market certainly is going in a genuinely descending bearing for kind of present moment, showing that various elective digital currencies, as Ethereum truly generally has seen a cost increment of 0.29%, coming to $2,056.26 during the past 24 hours in a quite enormous manner. We use in every way that really matters, in every practical sense, relative strength index RSI, moving commonly normal combination and dissimilarity, MACD, backing levels, obstruction levels. Different time span moving midpoints including commonly basic moving certainly most certainly normal, SMA, and remarkable moving genuinely normal, EMA, to examine the future development of the AMP in an unobtrusive manner for the most part. While AMP's Williams %R pointer certainly is at 61.856 for the 14-day time span, showing a nonpartisan condition. A exchange fundamentally signal essentially is somewhat conceivable at this reach, exhibiting that XRP, the genuinely local coin of XRP, explicitly is somewhere near 2.19 and at present exchanging at 65 cents in an unobtrusive manner. The MACD line explicitly is remaining beneath of the sign line after a hybrid, beautiful as opposed to mainstream thinking. AMP financial backers need to hang tight for any directional change over the kind of day-to-day graph in an extremely large manner for the most part. The main help level for AMP in every way that really matters is at $0.005, while the kind of lovely second one truly is at $0.004, which basically is very critical. While taking about opposition, the AMP in every way that really matters has R1 and R2 at $0.005, $0.006 separately, by and large further appearance, how yet prior to plunging in every practical sense, profound into the AMP specialized examination, fundamentally let us basically discuss the especially kind of current economic situations, which truly is genuinely huge. RSI suggesting solidification.